Lincoln Park's founding board trustee member, Amiri Baraka, represents the word because he used language as a tool for truth, resistance, and cultural identity, shaping not just poetry, but the voice of people and the city. Amiri is the word because he understood that language carries power, to challenge systems, to affirm identity, and to document the lived experience of a community in real time. Amiri Baraka is the word because he didn't just write poetry, he gave voice to Newark, to culture, to a movement proving that words can shape history. Please join me in welcoming Mayor of the City of Newark, a champion of culture, community, and this neighborhood, Mayor Ras J. Baraka.
I was telling Anthony, I didn't know they was calling me up here, but it's a pleasure to be on such a beautiful day. I want to thank the Lincoln Park Coast Cultural District, founding members, and Anthony and everybody that's engaged with it now, Marcy DePena, Parks Foundation, all of the folks that keep these parks programmed and going throughout the city. But the Lincoln Park Coast Cultural District is incredibly important. It's been important to me since I was a child, listening to my father talk about Abraham Lincoln coming to this area, about how all the jazz greats hung around and performed in and around this area, and folks visited what they call the coast here. Many of us take it for granted. We walk through and around this community and don't know the history of this neighborhood that we're in, that many of incredible jazz musicians and electeds and other people came and hung around this community in this area. It was very popular. People would perform in New York, but come and hang out in Newark, right? That was the difference. They go to Radio City Music Hall or somewhere in New York, but come and hang out in Newark afterwards to play all of the jazz clubs and hang out with the folks in our city, because Newark has always been a city of art and culture. So I want to thank Anthony for keeping the legacy alive, keeping the fire alive, keeping the dream alive. Appreciate it. I look forward to a redone, reimagined, beautiful park here. And I know the neighborhood will appreciate that, and the neighborhood will transform because this park will transform as well. So thank you from the Baraka family to you, not just as the mayor, but as a resident of this town, who grew up in the South Ward. We appreciate you, brother. Thank you.